In this problem he is given object distance u. See, listen carefully. U means object distance, V means image distance, R means radius of curvature, F means focal length. Once again, U object distance, V image distance, R radius of curvature, F focal length. Now what is given? Object distance U 10 centimeters, radius of curvature R 8 centimeters. We have to find the image distance V. We have to find the image distance V. Now see, we have to follow sign convention principle. Let this is a concave mirror. This is the principal axis. So here the object is kept in front of concave mirror at a distance of 10 centimeters. See, always object distance, image distance, anyone, focal length, etc. taken from the pole of the mirror according to sign convention rules. Object distance, image distance, whatever distances you are measuring should be taken from the pole. So we have to take from the pole, that means in this direction. In this direction. But the light comes from the object in this direction. Listen carefully. From object, light comes in this direction. We are measuring object distance in the direction from pole to object. Object distance from pole to object, light rays from object to pole. So both these are in opposite direction. So that's why object distance is negative. Next, remember, for concave mirror, radius of curvature or focal length is negative. For convex it is positive. For concave it is negative. So R is equal to minus 8 centimeter because it is concave mirror, concave. Okay. So we have to find the image distance V is equal to how much? See, listen. We know that mirror formula 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. By heart it. Mirror formula 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Okay. So here U is given, we have to find V, but F is not there. So how can you find F? I told you in the earlier class. Relation between radius of curvature and focal length, R is equal to 2F. R equals to 2F. So here R is given, minus 8 equals to 2F. So F equals to minus 8 by 2, nothing but minus 4 centimeters. So focal length F equals to minus 4 centimeters. So substitute in this formula, 1 by F, nothing but minus 1 by 4 equals to 1 by U. U means minus 10. So minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by V. Okay. So take minus 1 by 10 this side. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 4 equals to 1 by V. Take LCM. 10 to 4, 40. So 40 by 10, 4 remains here. Next, 4 by 10 minus 10 equals to 1 by V. 4 minus 10, nothing but minus 6 by 40 equals to 1 by V. See, don't write the answer like this because you got 1 by V. Here the question is asked image distance V, not 1 by V. So 1 by V is equal to minus 6 by 40. So V is equal to how much? Minus 40 by 6 centimeters. Or you can simplify further. 3 2s are 3, sorry, 2 3s are 2 2s are 0. That means minus 20 by 3 centimeters. This is the image distance. Now, whenever you are finding image distance, you have to write the properties also. Properties means this is negative. Why it is came negative? See, in mirror light rays reflection. Whenever light rays falls on the mirror, it will reflect. So image also forms on the same side of the object. This is the object, this is the image. Okay, so that's why it is negative, opposite to light rays. That's why it is came as negative. Next one, object above the principal axis, image is below principal axis. So that's why we can say it is the realigned inverted image. Realigned inverted image. Okay, so what are these properties? The image forms at 20 by 3 centimeters. Don't say minus 20 by 3. Minus indicates opposite to light rays. Okay. So image forms at 20 by 3 centimeters below principal axis. That's why I am saying it is the inverted image. Okay. So this is the image distance we got. Okay. Okay. Now see, one more problem I am telling. Listen carefully. A convex mirror with a radius of curvature 3 meters is used as a rear view mirror for a vehicle. If a bus is located at a 5 meter from his mirror, find the position, nature of the size of image. See what is given? A convex mirror with a radius of curvature 3 meters. Given convex mirror radius of curvature 3 meters. So is given R equals to 3 meters. See, remember, I am not writing here negative. Why I am not writing negative? Is given that convex mirror. In earlier problem is given concave. For concave negative, for convex positive. So this is convex. So that's why F and R are positive. Next, if a bus located 5 meter from the mirror, so is given object distance U 5 meters. But this is negative. Why it is negative? Whether it is convex or concave mirror, so here also object is there in front of mirror. So light rays comes in this direction, but we will take object distance from pole. We will take object distance from pole. Light rays comes in this direction. So opposite to the light rays direction. So that's why it is taken as negative. So U is equal to minus 5. Find the position, nature of the size of image. So we have to find the nature and size of the image. That means before finding that we have to find image distance V. So once again take formula, mirror formula. 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So here F is not there. So find F from R. You know the relation. R is equal to 2F. So F equals to R by 2. So what is R? 3. So 3 by 2 meters. Next, substitute in this formula. 1 by F, nothing but 1 by 3 by 2 equals to 1 by U. U means 5, negative, minus 1 by 5 plus V. So 1 by 3 by 2, nothing but 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 equals to minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by V. Take minus 1 by 5 this side. So 1 by V equals to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So take LCM. 1 by V equals to 3 5s are 15. So 3 5s are plus 5. Sorry, this is the 3 5s are. 3 5s are 5 into 2, 10 plus 5 3s are. So 10 plus 3, nothing but 13 by 15. So this you got 1 by V. This you got 1 by V. But he is asking image distance V. That means we have to find V. So V is equal to how much? 15 by 13. So when you simplify, you will get approximately 1.15 meters. So just to, so what he is asking, how the image is forms. So let us find the magnification. You know the magnification formula. M equals to minus V by U or HI by HO. Magnification means the ratio of size of image to the size of object, or in terms of height of image to the height of object. So in this problem height is not given. What is given? Object distance U, image distance V is there. So don't need this HI by HO. We need M is equal to minus V by U. So M equals to minus, so what is V? 1.15 by, what is U? Minus 5. So minus gets cancelled, you will get 1.15 by 5. So while you simplify, you will get 0.23. So this is the magnification. So what type of image it is? Virtual and erected. Why? Because it is the convex. Okay, so you cannot catch the screen on the screen. because it forms at 0.23 less than object distance. So less than object distance means it forms between pole and object distance. So that's why it is the virtual image you cannot catch, because it is in case of convex, not concave. Okay, so write these problems in your notebook and practice it without seeing. So you have some problems in the workbook also, so try to do such type of problems. Okay, thank you.